Do you face this very common problem of sending files from one device to another that are running on different platforms such as Android, iPhone or a PC? If you have to send any data or any file from Android to iPhone, then it's a problem. If you have to send any data from iPhone to your PC then or laptop, then you need to have some specific software such as iTunes with which you can transfer data from one device to another, or if for Android to iPhone it is not so easy. You can't send any video file greater than 16 MB through WhatsApp. Even in Gmail, if you have to send file greater than 25 MB, you have to use Google Drive. And if you surpassed 15 GB of your storage, then you have to pay some monthly fees to use your Google Drive. So send anywhere is exactly what you need. Hi guys, this is Manmohan Sekhon. So let's get started. So now on your screen you see two phones. On right hand side it is Android and on left hand side it is iPhone. So I want to transfer data from my Android device to iPhone. So for that, what we'll do, we'll install Send Anywhere on both iPhone and Android. So whatever the file that I want to send, I'll select that file and click on Share. And from here, I'll select Send Anywhere. Then it will generate 6-digit code, which will enter on receiving end. So on our receiver, I'll open Send Anywhere and click on receive at the bottom. If you see at the bottom, you will see send, receive, my link history. So I'll click on receive and enter that code. So that code is 136675 and click on received. Once I tap on receive, our data will be received. So you see here that our file is transferred from Android device to iPhone. If you see on my Android phone, where you see those 6-digit code, this code is valid only for 10 minutes. If you want it to be valid for more than 10 minutes, that means to a maximum of 48 hours, then you have to tap on share link. Once we tap on share link, it will generate link that we can transfer it through WhatsApp, Facebook or any messaging app. So you see here that link is generated. Once I click on that link, it will be copied to clipboard, and then I can open any messaging app and then I'll paste this message over here and click on send. So on a receiving end, we'll receive that message, and once I click on that link, the one that we received, it will be downloaded. Then I'll see this image, and if you see there's a fast download available over there, so I'll click on that fast download and I'll open that in our app, and so it is downloaded and received on our receiver end. If you liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and give thumbs up to my video. Thank you and have a wonderful day.